Are you carrying the right everyday carry gear that could actually save your life? Today, we're revealing 15 EDC items and gadgets that can protect you in real emergencies. Whether you're building your first EDC setup or upgrading your preparedness gear, these items aren't just cool gadgets. They're life-saving tools. From essential survival gear to self-defense items and emergency tools you need right now, we've tested everything so you know what actually works when it matters most. These EDC essentials belong in your pocket, your bug-out bag, or your minimalist EDC kit. If you're serious about being ready for anything, these everyday carry items could be the difference between life and death. Let's get into the gear that could save your life. Maintaining neat nails shouldn't be a hassle, even on the go. The KeyUnity nail clippers are precision-engineered, foldable stainless steel cutters designed for travel and everyday carry. Their sharp, gap-free blades deliver clean, precise trims without tearing or splitting, while the sleek, curved edge shapes nails effortlessly and prevents common nail issues. Compact and lockable, they fold flat for easy pocket or wallet storage and feature a keychain hole for instant access. Ideal for cutting flat, thick, or hard nails, as well as dead skin and cuticles, these durable, rust-resistant clippers make flawless nail care simple anytime, anywhere. Never be left in the dark. Your daily adventures demand reliable lighting. The IMALENT Rechargeable EDC flashlight is a compact, triple-light powerhouse designed for everyday carry. Delivering up to 2,800 lumens with a 486-meter range, it features white, warm, and high-intensity UV light for versatile use, from reading and cycling to camping or special tasks. Weighing just 4.23 ounces, its clip-on and magnetic design allows attachment to backpacks, straps, or metal surfaces for hands-free convenience. Recharge quickly via USB-C in 1.5 hours. Durable, portable, and ultra-bright, this mini EDC flashlight ensures you're prepared for any lighting need anytime, anywhere. Breaking language barriers has never been easier. Communicate globally without struggle. The Marsno language translator device is a compact AI-powered tool that supports 138 languages with 98% real-time accuracy. Equipped with ChatGPT, it offers contextual responses, currency and unit conversion, and ultra-fast 0.5-second translations online or offline in 19 languages. Its 3.1-inch HD touchscreen and dual-touch physical buttons make single-handed operation effortless. Weighing just 3.14 ounces, it's ultra-portable for travel, business, or learning. With 8-hour battery life, fast USB charging, noise-canceling mics, and high-fidelity speakers, this translator ensures seamless cross-cultural communication anytime, anywhere. Crystal clear audio can make or break your content. Don't settle for muffled sound. Meet the Hollyland wireless microphone, a studio-grade 48 kHz 24-bit mini mic designed for YouTube, podcasts, vlogging, and mobile creators. It handles sudden 120 decibels SPL noises without distortion, capturing crisp highs and deep lows. With 3-level intelligent noise cancellation, weak, medium, and strong, it filters wind, traffic, and echoes. Perfect for indoor or outdoor shooting. Customize audio with 3 EQ presets and 3 reverb modes for cinematic sound. Ultra-long 54-hour battery life and a compact magnetic design make this wireless microphone ideal for professional quality audio anytime, anywhere. Feeling too hot or too cold can ruin your day. Imagine controlling your personal temperature with a touch. The Embr Wave Cooling Bracelet offers clinically proven thermal relief for hot flashes, night sweats, sleep disruption, tension, and chills. Using advanced wearable technology, it delivers precise cooling or warming sensations customizable via the Embr Wave app. Enjoy turbo chill, bear hug mode, or tailored sessions for focus, relaxation, and sleep. Sleek, stylish, and discreet, it works silently like jewelry or a smartwatch. Rechargeable with 9+ hours of use, this bracelet provides personalized on-demand comfort anytime, anywhere. Tackling paint projects can be messy and time-consuming without the right tools. Imagine having one compact gadget that does it all. The ROLLINGDOG Paint Scraper Tool is a 13-in-1 folding painter's companion crafted with high-quality 420 stainless steel blades and a durable beechwood handle. It functions as a paint roller and brush cleaner, putty knife scraper, nail puller, paint can opener, hammer, bottle opener, crack gouger, and more. Fold-out blades lock securely for use and fold away safely. With its laser-engraved handle for a firm grip, this multi-tool makes painting, cleaning, and maintenance effortless and precise. Staying connected while traveling can be stressful without a reliable internet source. The SIMO Solis Go Hotspot Wi-Fi Power Bank is a portable 5G hotspot and charger designed for global adventures. It supports 16 devices simultaneously, offering up to 24 hours of Wi-Fi coverage across 140-plus countries through a multi-carrier network of 300-plus providers. With 1 gigabyte of monthly high-speed data for life and optional extra data, you can browse, stream, or work anywhere. Built-in charging capabilities keep your devices powered on the go. Easy setup via the Solis app makes this device a must-have for travelers, remote workers, and digital nomads. Keeping your vitamins and medications organized while traveling is essential for daily health. Introducing the SOBAHIDO Travel Pill Box, a 7-day aluminum pill organizer designed for convenience and durability. Each compartment is permanently marked with icons to remind you when to take your pills. Made from premium anodized aluminum, it's stronger than plastic and resists crushing. Waterproof silicone O-rings keep pills safe and dry, extending freshness. The spin-lock compartments are easy to open yet secure, preventing accidental spills. Compact and portable, this daily pill organizer is perfect for travel, vitamins, supplements, fish oil, and everyday medication management. Learning to pilot a small, fun aircraft is a thrilling way to spark creativity and coordination. Meet the SYMA Mini RC helicopter, a compact 3.5-channel remote-controlled helicopter designed for boys and girls, featuring gyro stabilization and altitude hold for steady flight. With 5 to 7 minutes of flight time, one-key takeoff and landing, and intuitive joystick control, even beginners can fly confidently. Its durable PVC body and landing gear cushion crashes, making it safe for indoor or outdoor play. Lightweight and pocket-sized, it's perfect for impromptu fun at parks or at home. Ideal for holidays, birthdays, or family multiplayer enjoyment. When adventure calls, you need gear that's as dependable as you are. The KeyUnity Carabiner clip is a handcrafted braided lanyard made from 7-core 550 Paracord, blending artistry and functionality for everyday carry or outdoor use. Designed by independent creator TECHO, it features a high-tensile stainless steel clip with a smooth, spring-free gate for effortless one-handed use, perfect for hanging water bottles, keys, or tools. Its vivid colors ensure easy visibility in emergencies, while the paracord can be unraveled for survival tasks. Compact yet strong, this all-in-one EDC carabiner clip is ideal for camping, hiking, or daily adventures. Keeping your pool sparkling clean shouldn't feel like a chore. The Gosvor Robotic Pool Cleaner makes maintenance effortless with its cordless, lightweight design and powerful 90-minute runtime. Perfect for flat above-ground pools up to 860 square feet, it efficiently vacuums debris, leaves, and dirt to keep your water crystal clear. With one-click start, quick 15-second drainage, and automatic self-parking when the battery runs low, it's built for total convenience. The durable shell and easy-to-clean filter ensure long-lasting performance, making this robotic pool vacuum the perfect solution for hassle-free pool care and refreshing swims all season long. When stress strikes, a little motion can calm the mind and sharpen focus. The generic Tungsten Fidget Gun toy is a premium metal EDC finger slider designed for adults seeking both fun and focus. Crafted from high-quality alloy using CNC machining and electroplating, it delivers a smooth, durable feel with silent clicking and gyro rotation for stress relief anytime. Its compact and portable design fits easily in your pocket, perfect for work or travel. With interactive features like a ratchet, spinner, and hidden launcher, this stress relief gadget keeps your hands busy and your thoughts steady wherever you go. Precision and accuracy define every great project, and that's where this tool truly shines. The WELLRAY laser measuring tool delivers 500 feet of laser measurement with an impressive plus or minus 1.5 millimeters accuracy. perfect for both professionals and DIY users. Equipped with an electronic level sensor and angle finder, it ensures flawless alignment and real-time calibration for every task. Its multi-function design handles distance, area, volume, and Pythagorean measurements with ease. Built to last, this IP54 waterproof and dustproof device fits neatly in your pocket with a non-slip grip. Ideal for construction, interior design, and renovation. Measure smarter, faster, and more precisely anywhere you go. Bright sunlight shouldn't stop you from capturing the perfect shot. The TECHO Screen Sunshade Case is designed for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, providing a compact anti-glare protector that boosts screen visibility for outdoor shooting. Its foldable design saves space, easily slipping into your bag or pocket when not in use. When closed, it doubles as a protective cover, guarding your screen from scratches and dust. Built with durable waterproof ABS material, it ensures long-lasting performance. With a quick, secure fit that won't block touch controls or rotation, this sun hood keeps your filming clear, confident, and hassle-free anywhere. Keep your essentials close and ready wherever duty calls. Meet the Uniclife retractable badge holder, a tactical ID badge reel built for durability and convenience. Featuring stainless steel spring coils that withstand over 10,000 pulls and support up to 8 ounces without slipping. Its 31.5-inch 7-strand steel wire rope offers smooth, extended reach for effortless access to doors or tools. The lightweight yet rugged ABS casing resists drops in daily wear, while the Carabiner clip and keyring keep everything secure. Ideal for carrying keys, badges, flashlights, or USBs. This heavy-duty retractable lanyard delivers strength, flexibility, and professional reliability anywhere. There you have it. 15 EDC items and gadgets that could genuinely save your life. These everyday carry tools aren't about convenience. They're about survival and real preparedness when emergencies hit. Whether you need self-defense options, emergency tools for unexpected situations, or essential survival gear for your bug-out bag, these EDC picks deliver when it counts. Which item are you adding to your minimalist EDC setup first? Drop a comment and let us know. If you want more honest reviews of EDC gear and survival tools that actually work, hit subscribe. We test everything so you're always ready for the worst. All product links are in the description. Stay ready, stay alive, and I'll see you in the next video.